Welcome to today's live streaming from PRODECO Group. This is Fiona, and today Jenny, Amelia, our team, and I will lead you guys to explore our showroom. No matter you are looking for the design of your kitchen or just want to know more about the customized cabinetry, I think today's live streaming will be really helpful. We also have some surprise during live streaming, so please be with us.
Hello everyone, this is Jenny. Welcome to our showroom today. As some new viewers today, so I will make a brief introductions of our factory or company for you. PRODECO Group established in 2005 with more than 15 years experience in manufacturing, wardrobe, vanity, kitchen, etc. Both our factories are located in Foshan City with coverage and areas with over 20,000 square meters and over 150 staff, with Germany advanced machine, a smart system to make your dream house a reality.
Hi, it's Amelia. Today our topic of live streaming is customized brand new January introduction. Our team will introduce different kinds of products, including kitchen cabinets, walk-in closet, wardrobe, and bathroom vanity, etc. Recently, our showroom has been upgraded, so there are new models with new design and new accessories. I believe you will gain something after today's live streaming. Besides, we also do other live streamings before. If you are interested and want to know more details, please just contact us and get the link. Well, so Fiona will do the first introduction of our new design kitchen cabinets, and Jenny and I will see you later. See you.
Okay, let me introduce the first kitchen of our showroom to you guys. This is integrated sink island kitchen side by me, which is made by marble lacrosse stone. And we can go first from this side, and this is an intelligent corner with LED built-in LED light. And we can place some artwork here to show your taste when your friends and your families come to your home. It is a good taste show. And we move on to this side. We can see it is a beveling shape here. It is very cool, right? I think it is a technical task for our supplier, but PRODECO can do it well. And you can see it is a double side walnut wood veneer breakfast bottle come into our eyes. You can see the wood grain is very natural, and we can have a breakfast with our family. It is so long, right? And under the countertop, we can see it is a waterfall design. I would like to show you the waterfall design. It is connected with the countertop with 45-degree joint. Which make it more beautiful and natural. Okay, we go on the another side of this silent kitchen. We can see there are 4 basic cabinets here, and we can 2 drawer basic cabinet and 2 basic cabinet here. And you can see this is a single pane lacquer finish basic cabinet, but it's without handle. So how can we open it? Our finger just pull into and pull out. Then we can look at here is a built-in integrated handle. And it is more simple and fashion design. Then we can see into the drawer, it is a cutlery tray here, and with a adjustable divider. We can show like this, and we can adjustable the size you like, and then we can close it. It's soft closing. And the second one, we can see this is a long tandem box drawer. The first one is the small one, and this one is the middle one. Then also the soft closing. Then the last one is a high one. Okay, we turn into the next basic cabinet. It looks very ordinary, right? But yeah, we just pull out and find what is in it. Okay. You can see there are two baskets here. It is a dish pull out basket. Here we can place our pans, bowl, and chopstick here and keep them avoid the dusty. And well use this store base. Okay, then we turn into the next basket. It's a store basket. We can place our pots here to fully use this space. Also the soft closing. Then we turn into the next drawer basic cabinet. So what is the difference? And okay, we looking. Then yes, this is a tandem box from PRODECO, and we can change the logo that you want. And we also have a soft closing, and we also can provide small one, middle one, and high one. But the price will be more competitive than balloon. And finally it changed to the most amazing part of this kitchen. It's our washing area. And it is an integrated sink here. And this design will make this kitchen looks very high-end and more fashion and more modern. And we can see this faucet is pull down mixer faucet, and you can control it flexible and control the temperature flexible. And this strainer we also have quality certification. And side by the sink is a worktop drain. It is an effective way to prevent the water flowing out when we are